that all of our listeners, both here at the track and further afield.
This car is what they call a GT4. 1200 kilograms, 380 horsepower. Makes a very quick race car, even though it's based fairly closely on the production car. Silverstone's where I first started racing. It's a track I know extremely well. It sort of helped me get the best out of the Nissan's weekend. We're not worried about the overall result. The big achievement is to be running when the flag drops 24 hours after the start. But the car has been going fantastically well. It's very, very fast, as you can see from the lap time. It's certainly got everyone talking about the way it's performed on the track over this weekend.